Hello everyone, welcome to TriFlow Publisher. So in this video I will show you how you can bring up the formula bar on your Excel sheet. Let's say you have a file, or you received a file, or you open the file and then you are not seeing the formula bar. Normally if you click on a particular cell, the formula bar should appear somewhere here, and then this particular one I'm saying is actually not having the formula bar and is not having the headings. So how do you bring it on in case you want to adjust the formula or something? How do you do that? Just go to view, look at it here, view, and then you see this formula, check it, and then check the headings also. See the formula here. Now look at the formula. Can you see? Now that I click on the cell, I'm seeing, can you see the formula bar here? This is the formula bar here. All right, so that's how to do that. Thank you. And here I brought out the heading. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you all.